Hey, this is Sammy from samnuku.com, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. In this particular video, what I wanted to go through with you is how to go about updating your domain name server if you don't in fact have it with the same company. And I highly suggest you do this for a number of different reasons. The first reason being is that it's good to buy your domain name through pretty much anyone you want to. If you want, you can go through Namecheap, you can go through GoDaddy. Instant domains. It really doesn't matter where you actually get your domain from, but where you get your hosting is a lot more important because there's a difference in the quality of service that is provided. Now, I was using GoDaddy, but basically as soon as you start getting your website up, the hosting isn't as great as other offers unless you're willing to pay through the roof, whereas you can get much more manageable packages with a different company that I'm going to recommend to you, and you can use them. So in this particular case, I'm using justhost. Now let me just flick over here really quickly for you. So this is the email I received from justhost, and you can see the account information right here. This is all you need. You don't even need to log into justhost, right? So you've got your name servers, and this is the information that we are going to want to update on our domain name providers details. Okay, I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but don't worry about how it all works. This is just, let me just show you how it's done so that you can go about doing it yourself. So the first thing you want to do is obviously you want to get into your account. You want to click on this here, and you want to go manage your hosting right here. Now once that actually loads, this is bringing you so that they're kind of forcing you to purchase something, right, which is really smart from a business perspective. What they used to do is they brought you straight to the management where you could change it. This is a really good move, and it's definitely going to boost their sales. But what you want to do is click on this here and go to domains, and it's going to have a list of all your different domains and the hosting on which they're on. So I wanted to show you this in particular. You can see here where to bet on sports is on NS1, right? And that's my justhost account. My actual website, samnuku.com, is on NS73, which is what my deluxe package was with these guys, right? So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and edit that. You want to click on the name servers, and it's going to bring this up, and you want to go ahead and edit them, right? So you click on custom, enter the custom servers, and then you want to go back here, and you just simply want to copy and paste this information. So just highlight it, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and then do the exact same thing right here. Now once you do that, you want to make sure there's no spaces there. Click OK. It's just going to validate the fact that it is like a legit server, right? Otherwise, what's the point? So you can see here your request has been submitted. Changes may take a few moments to take effect. The reality is that it does take up to 24 hours. So don't get worried or anything like that when it doesn't load straight away. Okay? So this is how you use justhost to go ahead and update your domain name with GoDaddy, right? If you have your domain name with other providers, like I said, like justhost or anything like that, then you'll be able to find video tutorials on that as well. It's really not that hard. It's all about finding where your hosting is managed and that particular platform or website, and then going ahead and finding this information right here, the name servers, and editing them, and then inputting what it is you're wanting to do. Okay, so like I said, as you can see there, NS7374 is where it's sitting at the moment. Let's just have a quick look to see if it has in fact been updated. So there you go, it has been updated now, right? And it doesn't necessarily mean that the website is showing. It could actually show that the site is still suspended. If we just have a quick look here just to see what's going on, there you go. See, the site is still suspended, okay? And that's because the old hosting had expired, and so I thought it would be a chance to make you guys a video. But what will happen is, like I said, within 24 hours. So that's within 24 hours. I've seen it happen as quick as 60 minutes, 120 minutes, so 2 to 3 hours is as quick as I've seen it happen. And I have no doubt, it's 9:42 a.m. I have no doubt by tonight the site will be up, and at the absolute worst case scenario, it'll be up and running tomorrow morning. Alright, thank you again for stopping by and watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got some value out of it, do please subscribe and share the video to your friends who might be trying to figure out how to put together their website. Alright, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.